Alright, let's go over this question. Number 3. Number 3. Step number 1. Daniel.
Enlighten us.
Shh. Here we go. Subtract 2 to both sides. What do I get, Daniel? Yes, Daniel.
Font size 6. Write small.
Alright, Darlene. What's next? Divide 10, so CTS, b divided by 2 squared. And you said 10 divided by 2 squared. 10 divided by 2, Darlene, is? And 5 squared is? 25. You are correct, Darlene. Benito. X. Tell us what goes there. What 2 numbers? Guys, you're doing this correctly if these numbers are the same when you're factoring, okay? Benito, tell me what to write over here. Equals 23. Good job, Benito. Marco. What's next? Were you here yesterday? Question. Do you know how to write this together? Correct. X plus 5 squared equals 23. Essentially what we're doing, guys, they call this the completing the square method. And really, completing the square is only the yellow part. The rest of it is kind of like solving by the square root method. So it's actually a review of actually what we've done before. All right, Teresa. What's next? We're going to take the square root. All right, Teresa, tell us what to write. Square root's correct. The square root's getting rid of what? We're trying to get rid of that power of 2, right? So your square root is getting rid of this power of 2. So what's left? You're just left with x plus 5. Teresa, how about on this side? What symbol goes in front of the radical sign? What goes right there? We got to have a plus or minus. Leslie with the y. What do we do next? We're trying to solve for x. How do I do that? That goes in front of the plus or minus. All right, Leslie, what's left? Just bring it down. X. Positive 5, negative 5 equals 0. And then we have this, which is -5, this symbol, plus or minus radical 23. There we have an exact answer. Now we can just put it into our calculator. -5 plus radical 23. I get x is approximately -0.20. Raise your hand if you got that. And then if I just do the minus sign, I'm going to get negative. So when you round this number up, if you think about it, it's kind of like 79, and this is rounding up, so it'll be -9.80. Negative 9.80. So here's our two answers rounded to the nearest hundredth. And don't forget the big idea of what we're doing. This is basically just graphing a quadratics. It's crossing at negative here and negative here, and so that's an idea of what is happening. Okay?